So you have different templates also here. You don't have to start from scratch. You can start from a template that is already provided by Appsheet. So for example, we have a lot of templates here: simple survey, simple inventory, travel approval workflow. So let's go for order deliveries. Let's say you have a business and you need an app, like a no-code delivery solution, which kind of easy and you can do it by yourself. So you go to here, explore, and it's gonna provide you with the how the app will look like. So for example, in here we have, okay. So for example, here you can create a new order, custom ID, like for example, let's use this one, and details. Order, okay, order number one, and then let's create something like, I don't know what will be the product, like maybe um water. Okay, let's click on save, and we have a new order, number one, water, and you can text or call. So, okay, text is not provided yet because it's just a demo, but you can call and text, and if you mark as shipped, so you go to shipped and you find it here, order number one, water, and if you mark as delivered, so, okay, delivered, and you can add a photo of it, okay? So like, how to say, like proof that you delivered the order. So, and then it's delivered. So that's how the proof looks like. So like the photo that the order was delivered. And that's a simple app that you can customize depending on your own need. So for example, you can change the logos here, add more functionalities, what we have here. You have synchronized app gallery, etc. So you can add email if you want, SMS, etc. So you can here click on copy and customize. So let's, okay, order deliveries tutorial. So let's click tutorial and category logistics, and I'm gonna copy this app. Okay, cool. Now we have our app here in the, like, I won't say, we can call it the board of Appsheet to do all the modifications. And let's go to data. So for example, in data, we have email, formula, like for example, in here, a related order, phone, ID, row number. Let's go to view also. And so this is the first view we have, cancel. Okay, ordered. Let's go to ordered view. So if we click here, we can modify, edit view. So this is the where we can edit this view, and we can change. For example, let's put a dashboard, uh, or like a table. Let's put it in the form of a table, and you see it changed to a table. So you can, if you have a lot of deliveries, you can maybe use it as a table. That's better. So that's one of the changement we can do, or we can be put it back to cart. So now it's on cart view. We can change this part. So for example, it's here, so we can put it on first. So, and you see the change now, like it's on the first part of the drop down menu, and you can save here. Okay, so this is just a tip on if you want to start a specific like a specific app from I don't know, if you don't want to start from zero, you can just copy and customize one of the apps from the Appsheet template. So let's go back to Appsheet templates, and I'm gonna put for you the link on the description about the Appsheet template, where you can start from something like I don't know, like how to say that, like an like a base of your app that is already there, and you can modify from there. Is better than to start from zero, and I would recommend to check all the templates that are available here in Appsheet, and choose the one that is appropriate for you. Click on customize and start from there. Okay. Um, so yeah, for example, CRM. CRM is something very useful, like to manage in contact, deal interaction, etc. IT ticketing, national park. I don't know. It can be useful also. A national park, a workstation tracker, etc. So since I showed you the tip on how to not waste time and start from something already there where you can modify it, now let's go to start an app from scratch. So that's to just show you the functionalities of AppSheet and how you can learn from those functionalities to customize your app the way is gonna be beneficial for you.